So today we're going to try to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a product by Oracle that allows you to run VMs on your machine. It's fairly simple. I'm running a Windows desktop here, so I'm going to download the Windows version of the Windows box. First thing, let's go to this URL here, the virtualbox.org, to the downloads folder. Since I said we're going to do Windows, let's click on Windows. And we'll download it, the downloads directory. Save it, and the ultimate goal is to set up a virtual machine dev environment using Ubuntu. Since I'm running Windows, that's the only way I can run Ubuntu on my machine. Well, I got some virtualization problems on my machine, so this is my solution to running Ubuntu on my machine. Once this is downloaded, we're just going to click on this download, and that should start opening VirtualBox and start giving us a prompt. Actually, it's going on my other screen, so let me bring that over. We'll get the first prompt, and we're just going to click next. Then we're just going to install everything default here. If we need anything else to install, we'll figure it out later. Click next. We're going to leave all these defaults here, and click on next. Network interface warning. Sure. It might reset a disconnected network, but it won't. Don't worry about it. And say yes, and just keep installing it. So this starts installing VirtualBox. It goes rather quick, and we'll be able to then click the finish button here and start VirtualBox after this is done. So we don't need this window anymore, so I'm going to minimize it. And here comes VirtualBox. So it then asks you, do you want to install the extension pack? The extension pack actually allows you to manage VirtualBox much better. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll download it. And are you sure you want to download? Of course I want to download it. So this starts installing it. So it's downloaded, and actually me clicking this button now will start installing VirtualBox. And then it says, hey, do you want to upgrade? The current version is this version. This is the version available. Sure, why not? This is actually upgrading VirtualBox itself. And of course, this is grayed out, which means that I got to go all the way to the bottom, and I'll just say I agree. It says the extension pack was successfully installed, and then it says, hey, do you want to delete this? Sure. Whatever you download it, get rid of it. And you want to delete this? You want to delete the following files? Sure. And that concludes the installation of VirtualBox. Next, we'll go install VirtualBox, a development environment using the latest version of Ubuntu.